is shot on my iPhone, so if the quality is just not, you know, excellent, extravagant, that's why. Anyway, so I'm gonna go into Hobby Lobby because I want to see, can you see it? I want to see what kind of Halloween stuff they have. I got some cake mix so I can make cupcakes tomorrow, not tonight. I'm gonna make them tomorrow because I have to work early in the morning and I just have other things to do and other things to film. But yeah, so I got cake mix. I want to get like cute Halloween sprinkles, and that would be a fun little treat to make tomorrow. I also got this shimmery like blue paints at Target, and I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but I thought it was freaking cool. So yeah, anyways, let's go to Hobby Lobby. So I definitely got some goods at Hobby Lobby. I wanted to say Home Goods, and it's already dark out, as you could tell, and I left when the sun was still out, so time just flew. But I got so many cute stickers I'm going to show you back at home when we get into the the DIY scrapbooking portion of this video. But yeah, sorry that some of the clips just aren't as aesthetic, but it's what we're working with. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Home Goods now, and I'm gonna see if they have any cool Halloween decor, fall decor. It's kind of like hard to decorate for Halloween with my aesthetic because like you need pink stuff or like pastels. But dude, when Christmas comes, it's like that is an iconic time to decorate. Or Easter, like those two holidays fit my aesthetic so well. But yeah, anyways, let's go to Home Goods. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the DIYs, and then I'm gonna show you the finished product. I need to figure out a better schedule. I'm so sorry for my filming because the sun, like I have to work with the sun. Like today, I mean, I don't, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna rant. I'm gonna vent. I got off at 4:30-ish, and then I have to drive home, and then I have to like run here, change, and all that stuff. And like the sun is just, I don't know, I'm just stressed. Anyways, it's fine. It's fine. I hope you guys still like the DIYs. I want to show you these really cute pastel pink stickers that I got for scrapbooking. I think they're going to look perfect and beautiful and gorgeous. And yeah. Okay, so to divide the photos, I did it in 4 different categories: food, aesthetic, interior design, and fashion. You don't have to do them like that, but I just like to be like a psychopath and have everything organized. But see, like that's gonna be like our fashion, and you know, you get the gist. So let's go ahead and start scrapbooking. Okay, so for reference, this is the first page that I did, and it's really cute, but I did this a while ago, so I'm going to work on doing the back of this one, and we're just going to see what I feel inspired to do, if she can come out. Oh no, honey's a little shy. She's a little shy though today. Sorry guys, I'm like really weird right now. I just got off work. I don't know, that's an excuse. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I mean, she's not perfect. Again, we're running with like the sun here, so I just want to be able to film for you guys, and it's just been, I need to find a schedule. That's the thing. I need to find a schedule that will work for me. Should I cut her a little short? I don't know, I feel bad. Believe me, I'm feeling bad for like lace. What? That doesn't even make sense. Okay, so what I'll probably end up doing, because this one keeps getting loose, is I'm gonna just hot glue the knot together. But I thought it's gonna look so cute. And then you could always add like some of these, or like, oh, this would be so cute. Oh my gosh, maybe I'll do that. I don't know, but I don't want to block the bow. Do I do it on the other side? Is it too much going on? Okay, I seriously have to hot glue her. But she's having some issues. She is just not wanting. See, I was thinking, break one of these and then hot glue them. I don't know if you guys follow Gabby, but on TikTok, or at all, I guess. But one of her TikToks, she did like pearls on her pumpkin. Okay, this is the finished product. Isn't she so sweet? It was very quickly done. However, I just wanted to get like a little inspo for the fall. Probably add more, see where these blank spaces are. But other than that, I think these fall shabby chic DIYs came out super cute. Alright, so that is the end of the video for you guys today. It was kind of like a mix of a DIY slash a vlog. I don't know. I'm just trying to film as much as I can during the week when I can. And I just gotta figure out a schedule. Like I said earlier in the vlog, like I gotta get my stuff together, if you know what I mean. But let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. I am working on a lookbook for you guys because I know that that was requested. And yeah, and before I head out, I just want to leave you guys with a quick little message or a reminder just to be authentically yourself, spread love and kindness, be uniquely you. And I'm going to work on adding like a little Bible message at the end of my videos, starting my next video, because I am literally all over the place right now, so I'm just trying to get this filmed for you. It's been a crazy week, just a lot of things have been happening.